I tried Firo wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Firo wallet app, I thought it would be just another privacy coin wallet. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Firo isn't just about holding crypto, it's about protecting financial freedom in a way most people overlook. On day 1, setup was simple. The wallet generated a recovery phrase and I was ready to go. But what immediately caught my attention was Firo's focus on true anonymity. Most wallets claim to protect your data, but Firo actually delivers it through its technology called Lelantis, a privacy protocol that hides not just your identity, but also the amount you send and receive. By day 2, I started making transactions to see how private they really were. I sent small amounts between 2 wallets, and the blockchain showed 0 links between sender and receiver. It felt like using crypto the way it was originally intended: secure, private and censorship resistant. Midweek, I tested performance. Transactions confirmed quickly, and fees were low. But the real strength came from how the wallet integrates privacy by default, without requiring extra steps or add-ons. Most people get this wrong. They think privacy means complexity, but Firo keeps it simple and automatic. By day 5, I explored features like staking and masternode support. The app gives users full control over their coins without depending on third parties. That means no centralized custody your keys, your crypto. After 7 days, the shocking truth became clear. Firo wallet isn't for speculators, it's for people who value real digital privacy. In an era where everything online is tracked, owning a wallet like this feels like a small act of rebellion and freedom. If you believe privacy is power, Firo is worth trying. It reminds us that cryptocurrency isn't just about profit, it's about independence.